Orúkọ tèmi ni Tádéníkáwò Ẹrífúntọ́ Ọ̀yátówò Arugba Ìmọ̀jà àgbáyé. So being Arugba, ó jẹ́ ẹni tó yẹ pé ó wà very delicate. Tó dẹ̀ yẹ pé ní àsìkò ọdún, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mójútó. Even before ọdún, you have to be clean, pure, both in your mindset, your thinking and everything, because you are the next person the Orisha is going to send message, any message, and you can see something that even an elderly person cannot see, because that's who you are, that's what you are choosing for. It's not an easy task, because the calabash is not something like maybe it's just fruit that is inside. It's something that you cannot see, and something that it weighs you a lot, because you cannot express how you feel. And the Orisha, they can easily detect that something is wrong with you, and they are your partner. You see them as you are more close to them than any other person, and you are the next in line. If they want to send anything to anybody or any message, you can see it freely, even without any stress. And the other thing is that as Arugba, you have to mind the people you keep your friends, because some people, they are jealous of how special you are. They can even set anything to you at any time. And if there's no Arugba, there's no festival. And the calabash you are going to carry, it contains the prayer. You have to meet the Orisha itself and give it to her. So it contains the prayer. You are the one that is going to say, okay, oh, Orisha so by you, Orisha will be by you. So even in your dreams, and there's something we call Iwole Arugba, you would have entered like 7 days before, you know, eat